round 3 here at the ice fishing extraordinary here. We're at Clam. So I got an extra battery just in case. We don't know how many we're going to do. Who knows? This camera can get 4 to 5, so extra camera. So it's a beautiful day here at the show. It's gorgeous. Beautiful out day for outdoor, whatever. So I've never been to one before, my first one. I'm not an ice fisher, but I do like the outdoors. So these are like, I think these are portable ones. They're pretty much look all the same. You can kind of tell. They're just, you haul them out. You're out of the wind. You can, 2 people can sit and right down here and you can fish. So instead of paying for all the bells and whistles, as you can tell, the Climb ones. I've seen ones where you can pull and they can set them up. So these are all just ice fishing shacks, as you can tell. Portable ones. I don't know what they're going for. 900. Let's say $1,000. Not bad. I mean, if you're gonna ice fish, it's fun. Always make sure when you're ice fishing, you guys make sure you get a license too as well. Pisses me off when people go out ice fishing and fish. I get my license every single year. I mean, you fish 4 or 5 times. The cabin, they'll check it. So you get all kinds of good stuff here.
They're covering, for bigger walleye.
Look at it. So you can just put it on front.
It's a thingamabob.
Yeah.
It's like a whatchamacallit.
Right. Yep. I love it.
Called the wind jigger.
Yeah, wind jigger. What it's called?
Yep.
All right.
We sell a lot of them.
Do you? Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Have not heard about it? Okay, so since you're buying
So there's 2 things here in this town is hunting and fishing are big, outdoors, snowmobiles, whatever else when we get snow. You know, Arctic Cat up north. How's it going, my friend?
Good, how are you,
You
sir?
gonna start spending some money?
I'm gonna try to.
Look out, man. Keep the wallet close.
Oh, yeah.
Last my brother-in-law was at the boat show. He bought himself a new party barge, which is the last thing he needs. I don't know why, but it's his money, but I don't get it. You get all kinds of. Joe's is really good. All kinds of good stuff. You do a lot of ice fishing?
Yeah.
I live on a lake, and I went out with my nephew on a bucket or something. And I still like to cast, but I know people are retired. That's all they do. My father-in-law who's passed away, he would ice fish all winter long.
Oh, yeah, my father.
Oh God, he'd sit in his catch sunnies up the yin yang. He was more.
was just out there last week,
Oh really?
just standing out there.
Well, did you see some kid fell through the lake, which is.
Yeah.
I know you want to get out and do it, but
You gotta be safe.
I totally agree. Safety's a choice, not a mistake.
That's right.
Sure, you can tell. You got all kinds of them. How quick it is. Hey guys, how you doing? So what do you guys? You guys are Baudette?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. All right. Beautiful, you guys. There it is. New England Resort, Lake of the Woods, great lake up there. It's huge. You get crappies as big as your hands up there. It's a great lake. It borders at Canada, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, there it is. So Wigman Resort, you guys. Check it out. No problem. Right there, 1-800-448-9260. Give the young man a call. He likes money. So yeah. Over here you got another big clam one here too as well. There's a lot of these. I mean, there's just all kinds of these things. Eating chocolate. Seminar. Slap crappies, monster bull grills. Terry Tuma. You've been around a while. Chasing undesirables, mean carp probably. All kinds of hogs, you can tell.
Yeah.
Another one right here, you can tell. This one. So now relax. Just another one. Got a nice sled here. Look at this bad boy. Looks like a skidoo. My goodness. Whew, that's a bad boy. Look at that sucker. I know Arctic is shut down the thing for a while. So, let's go over here. Over here real quick. A lot of people in here, man. Oh my Jesus. We got over here. North. So you got this is more of a battery place for your stuff. Amp outdoors, lithium. We get into here, we get more equipment over here. Oh yeah, people are looking at all this stuff. You get all excited.
Huh? Coming to the bay and fight.
Oh, that's heck yeah. Lights, accessories, you name it, they got it, man. Let me get in there. Oh yeah, oogle and ogging over all the jigs. You name it, man. Rappo, they're in town here. They got a shop. They're expensive, but they work. That's good too as well.
When are we going to get the podcast back? The Northland one. That's a good question. I don't know. They quit doing it, eh? I think so. Company just sold that.
Oh, that's So there's a lot of. There's also another area over there too as well. So there's a lot more to be seen. So there'll be more videos coming.
I'd be proud.
He was talking about some podcasts that stopped podcasting. These are like a pullet. More stuff. You have a lot of resorts here too as well. Hey guys, how's it going? Middle Cars Resort, where you guys located at?
Lake Winnie.
Okay.
We're down in the southwest corner, right where the Mississippi opens up.
The old Mighty Mo. Okay, nice. What kind of fish you got there?
Perch, walleye, northern.
Yeah.
Cool.
Main three.
All right, looks good. That looks good right there, you guys. What do you think, huh? Heck yeah! So here it is, you guys. Check them out. It's down in Burnham, Minnesota. 218-665-2212 or 1-800-535-2398.
Thank you.
There you go.
Just your name and maybe your city and a phone number.
You guys, how you doing? Fishing derby. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Nice. Spring Steel Resort, Warren, Minnesota. Home of best hockey up there, man.
Right? He knows it.
Yeah, I know. I'm speculation sports. We speculate, you win. Look at that. Look at that, my goodness. Look at that.
Lately coming in at second and third place in state.
no kidding. Haven't won states since
The
Nice.
girls have won it 3 years in a row. The boys.
Nice. So there it is. You got Springsteen Steel. Oh, there it is.
Just thinking of that.
Custom rod and tackle. You make custom stuff. All kinds of fun stuff over here. Yeah, it's a lot of fun stuff. All kinds of good behaviors here. Look at that. Oh, you're okay. You're good. All kinds of jigs. Good to see people spending money. All right. Good, what's going on?
Good. Would you like to sign up for a chance to win our Yeti cooler?
Do what?
So for a chance to win our Yeti cooler, would you like to sign up?
I got it, how many coolers.
Yeah.
I'd love to, but I don't know where I'd put it. It'd be in the garage with the other ones. All right, my friend.
Appreciate you.
Yep,
Yeah,
no problem.
appreciate
Got more relaxed ice fishing. Tell you, people get past. If people get past the walleye, that's a great lake for sunfish and anything else. They gotta get past the walleye. I tell people all the time. You get over into here. Kind of miss some stuff over here. Be the original Acme Tackle Company. How's the tackle business, my friend?
Good, good.
Those little small suckers. Whew. These are nice.
Northland is perfect.
Well, very nice. Get all kinds of more stuff right over here. More tackle. Make your own stuff. Iron Ranch, custom rods. Not cheap. Lakewood. Arneson Rocky Point Resort, 1897. Nice.
We know where Barry's farm is, right? Straight north of Barry's farm.
Year-round fishing on Devil's Lake, North Dakota. Yep. Well, anyways, we're right there.